Hi there, Zanele and Njapha from the Tomorrow Today Global team. I always say that change happens faster than we can say the word change. And this is exactly what the 8 skills for the future of work presentation is showing you. This particular presentation shows you that although change does happen really rapidly, your organization can take advantage of this. Although the machines are coming, they're not necessarily coming to take your job, but there are just certain aspects of your function that the machines will definitely take over. But there are things that you can do about this, and that's the great part of this presentation. 8 particular skills are outlined, like intuition, storytelling, creativity, and many others as a part of the 8 that show you just how you and your organization can take advantage of the 4th Industrial Revolution, work with the machines rather than against them. Book our team to come and present this particular presentation for you and take back the future.